everybody, welcome back to our channel Programming School. So in this video I'll be showing you the details of the bank recruitment and the tentative calendar of online CRPs for RRB exams and PSB exams. So do watch the video till end and don't forget to subscribe Programming School. Basically, this is the tentative calendar for online common recruitment process for regional rural banks as well as public sector banks for 2021 and 2022 batches. When coming to the regional rural banks common recruitment process for office assistants as well as the officers, the preliminary exams will be on 1st August, 7th August, 8th August, 14th August and 21st August. And the single examinations for officers scale 1 and scale 3 will be on 25th September. And the main exams for office scale 1 will be on 25th September, and the office assistant it will be on 3rd October. When coming to the PSBs like public sector banks, CRP clerk as well as CRP PO and CRP SPL will be, and the exams will be on different, like preliminary exams will be from 28 for clerks post will be on 28th, probationary officers on 9th and specialist officers on 18th and so on. And the mains exams is on 31st for clerks post, 27th for probatory officers and 30th 2022 for specialist officers. And here comes the process of registration. It's completely online and only one registration for the preliminary and the main exams wherever applicable. So basically we require different kinds of documents in order to upload in the website, and here are the documents that we need to upload, like a photograph of the applicant, signature of the applicant, thumb impression, as well as the scanned copy of handwritten declaration as per the format, which will be available in the respective advertisements. You can go through the process of registrations. I'll be providing you the website link down in the description box. You can go through that, check with that, and you can apply. The detailed notification will be in www.ibps.in, and you can find the regular notifications of each and above exams to be displayed in the due course. And you can go through the disclaimer also, like IBPS however reserves the right to change the process. Like it might not be the same process for the last year and this year. There might be a chance of changing the paper as well as different kinds of recruitment process and all. So do watch this website and follow the website, and you can go through all the updated notifications, and we will be posting different kinds of videos related to these updates very soon. Thank you.